Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook clay pot tofu with loofah. I have one piece of loofah, weighed about 450 grams, 2 stalks of spring onion cut into 1-inch length, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 250 grams of minced pork, 1 cup of water, 100 grams of carrot cube, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 3 tubes of smooth egg tofu. Let's start off with preparing the flour mix. I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of water from here. Mix it with the flour. Just give it a stir and set it aside. To cut the tofu, I'm going to cut it into half, like that. Okay, to remove the tofu out of the plastic tube, I'm going to make a hole here just to allow the air to enter, and then it's easy to remove it out from the pocket. Okay, and then I cut it into bite size. Alright, tofu is ready cut. Now I'm going to set it aside. To cut the loofah, I'm going to use the slicer to remove the skin like that. Remove all the dark green color skin off. After remove the skin, a little bit here and there, the green color, you can leave it, it is okay, because this can be eaten as well. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it and clear it, then after that we can cut the loofah. I have already washed, so now we're going to cut it into half, and each of the half I'm going to cut it into quarter. And I'm going to cut it into about 1.5-inch length, like this. All the ingredients are ready. Now we can go and cook it. In a preheated clay pot, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of garlic oil and putting in all the minced pork. Put in all light soy sauce, a bit of sesame seed oil, half of the pepper. Give it a stir. Putting in all the carrot. Cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the carrot and the minced pork should already be cooked. So we're just going to give it a stir. Alright, minced pork and carrot is already cooked. Now I'm adding in the loofah. Add in the water. Put in the balance of the sesame seed oil, all the pepper, oyster sauce, half of the crispy fried garlic. Now we give it a stir. Put in all the egg tofu. Cover the pot. Let it simmer in the pot for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, See, it's boiling. Just gonna give it a stir a bit. Now you can give it a taste. Tasty, delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. For this clay pot tofu now, it's really delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and add on the flour mix and give it a stir. Put in the tapioca flour mix with water to thicken the gravy. See, look at that. It looks so yummy. I'm going to switch off the heat. Gonna add in all the spring onions. Give it a mix. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Add in some more spring onions. The balance of the crispy fried garlic. For the clay pot dishes, it's best served immediately once it's cooked or while the food is still very hot. So today I'll be having it with rice. This is really hot, must be really careful. A bit of rice, a bit of loofah, and also a bit of tofu. Wow, very delicious. The whole dish is very fragrant. Tofu is soft and smooth. Minced pork is tasty and tender. Loofah is fragrant. It's very sweet and it's cooked until soft. It's really enjoyable when eating it. And the gravy is very tasty, very savory, very rich and flavorful. When eating it with rice, it's so delicious. This kind of non-spicy dish, the whole family can enjoy. Children will love it too. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.